Today we're making baked chimichangas. It's healthier than the deep fried version, but it's just as delicious. I love to pile them up with guacamole, sour cream, and some pico de gallo. On the side, we're serving a fresh Tex-Mex salad.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister Laura and I share our favorite dinner combos. We're big Tex-Mex fans in my house, and in my opinion, you can never go wrong with chimichangas for dinner. You can fill them up with all kinds of things, and they keep really well in the freezer if you make extra.
At the beginning of the year, we're always trying to keep things a little bit more healthy. So today we're gonna bake our chimichangas. You can still fry them or put them in the air fryer if you like. I just really like them baked. They get nice and crispy.
Me too. Let's get started. You know the drill. We're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, I've got all the fillings ready to mix. You know, it's always easier if you do a little prep beforehand. We've got some chicken, a couple different cheeses, green chilies, and a few tasty spices. Feel free to change this up to suit your tastes. So let's get all of this combined in a bowl. We've got the shredded chicken, Monterey Jack cheese, cheddar cheese, salsa, diced green chilies, ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. Now we're just gonna mix it all up. To wrap these up, it helps if the tortillas are a little bit warm. So wrap these in a wet paper towel and microwave them for 20 to 30 seconds. Spoon some of the chicken mixture into the center of the tortilla. Fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll the tortilla up to form a tight burrito. When you're done rolling, you want to place it seam side down on the baking sheet. While I finish these up, let's check in with Laura. She's making the salad.
Speaking of toppings, this Tex-Mex salad is so versatile. You can use any toppings you like. I'm mostly using the same ingredients that we're using for the chimichangas to keep it simple. I'm using romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, corn, black beans, mini sweet peppers, avocado, and pickled red onion. Then I've got a couple of extra things like some fresh cilantro and some cotija cheese to go with it. Everything's all chopped and ready to go, so this is gonna be the easiest side dish I've ever made on this show. Layer it all up in the bowl. Don't you love how pretty this is with all of these different colors? It's gorgeous. And it goes so well with the chimichangas. I'm so excited for this. Okay, all I have left to do is mix up the dressing. So while I get everything ready for that, Angie's probably about ready to put the chimichangas in the oven.
I am. I'm just gonna spray these with some cooking oil. That'll help them crisp up while they're in the oven. And we'll bake these for 20 to 25 minutes, just until they're golden on the outside. By the way, in case you missed something or you want to check out all the ingredients, a full recipe is in the description.
All right, now's a good time to make the dressing for the salad. Look what Angie got me for Christmas. Reusable mason jar lids. She's really pushing for me to use more jars in the kitchen.
They really are one of my favorite kitchen utensils. You're gonna love them. You're welcome, by the way.
For the dressing, I'm mixing 1/4 of a cup of salsa, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. This is where the magic happens. You're gonna love how flavorful and bright this dressing is. The lime juice makes it really zingy. When you're just about ready to eat, pour on the dressing and then mix it up. That's our side dish today. I love how crunchy this is. So many great flavors.
Yum, it does look delicious, but hey, don't eat it all before we can serve. Let's get the chimichangas out of the oven while there's still some salad left. Yum, those look so good. You can load up your chimichanga any way you like. I'm gonna put on some guacamole. And some sour cream. And pico de gallo, just the way I like it. Let's eat.
I mean, that's a pretty great dinner combo if you ask me. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for even more dinner recipes to try, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of our next video.